Riri borithi marathie na mbere guthuthuria no woragire RITA Waeni muiritu wa miaka 20 na murutwo wa University wa JKUAT MWENA wa Juja kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU. Uthuthuria uria wikirwo kiongo kiria KIRIGA kuonekana NDEMU-INI imwe mwena wa KIAMBU wonanitie Waeni AKUIRE na njira ya guitwo mbere ya mwiri wake gucoka gutinangio icunji. Kuringana na muthuthuria wa MIIRI JOHANSEN ODUOR, ngingo ya kiongo giki ihuire nguraro iria ciumanaga na guitwo.
And then upon looking at the neck structures, we also saw some fractures of bones, which are usually very important in homicide. One of the bone is called hyoid bone, which was fractured. Then there was what is called thyroid cartilage also, which had some fracture and hemorrhage. So from all this, I can comfortably conclude that what caused the death of that young lady was strangulation, after which she was decapitated and the body dumped.
ODUOR uria utongoririe mihango ya uthuthuria wa DNA wa kiongo giki ni ataririe family ya Waeni ni hotire gukurana kiongo kiu nikio kia mwana wao.
The family told me that the forehead looked like that of their loved one. And they talked about the hair. They also talked about the teeth, the way the teeth is usually very, very important in identification. So those are the things they talked about. So though they are very sure she's the one, but we still need to go scientific.
Ona kuri uguo ODUOR ni ugite uthuthuria wa DNA no gwikwo niguo gukurana kuna kiongo kiu ni kia Waeni.
The main findings were that the head had been chopped off on the neck at the level of C5 vertebra. This is the vertebra on the neck. There were bruising on the scalp, which to me looked like caused by a blunt object. And then upon looking at the neck structures, we also saw some fractures.
Muiritu uyu akorirwo orageirwo nyumba-ini imwe ya Airbnb mwena wa Roysambu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi na mwiri wake ugatinangio icunji no mutwe wake ndwariho. Thutha wa family ya RITA Waeni gukurana kiongo kia mwana wao, riu kiria gitigarite ni maabitha a borithi cia uthuthuria na gukurana hihi no wagerire ngero eno na ni gitumi kiriku giacungirire eke uguo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.